I am Dr. Neema Bisht, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. I am founder of Career in Pharma, wherein I provide guidance and training to healthcare professionals and life science graduates on how they can make career into pharmaceutical industry. Till date, we have guided and trained more than 500 students, and many of them are now placed into various companies also under my guidance. Also, I want to tell you that beware of fake people who are operating under the name of Career in Pharma or by my name. So to connect with us, please see the description below for all the links, and also you can see the mail ID provided in the description box. Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to Career in Pharma. So today video is very important because in this video we are going to talk about how to find jobs, where to find jobs, how to apply for companies. Because guys, one thing you need to understand that from wherever you do course or maybe from wherever you get the information, basic information about pharma industry or clinical research or pharmacovigilance, but at the end of the day, if you are not able to get the job opportunities, if you are not able to get the interview call, then definitely it's all waste of time, right? And also you need to understand that this is something you have to work. Okay, you can't be depend on any institute for job because it's you who has to find the job. You need the job. Definitely institutes are there to assist you, guide you, but at the end of the day, you only have to do everything about this. Yeah. So why I am making video on this? Because this is the most common question I get. I don't know why people, finding it so much difficult, but let me tell you that definitely it's not that easy to get a job, that too at a fresher level. And other thing, don't think that this is only inside pharmaceutical industry where it is tough. At a fresher level, whatever industry you pick, it's not that easy. Specifically, if you are from a life science graduate background or a healthcare professionals, where usually in our colleges we don't have any placement kind of thing, which usually happens with BTech and engineering graduates. So that's why we face little more challenge. Otherwise, challenge is there for everyone. But you should be knowing how to beat it. Okay, so I will be telling you how you can go about it. First of all, where to find jobs? Many people say where to find jobs. Man, very simple. You have to find jobs on Naukri site. Okay. Now, there is not only one Naukri site. Like we have Naukri, we have Indeed, LinkedIn is also there, and MedBots and Swasa jobs are also there. So MedBots and Swasa are additional, which are exclusively for healthcare professionals, be it clinical job or non-clinical job. Both job you can look inside MedBots and Swasa. These are like new platform for searching jobs. Okay. And whatever I'm talking, it is in Indian context. Okay. Not outside India, I'm saying. In India, if you are searching for job, you can use Naukri, Indeed, MedBots, Swasa, and LinkedIn. Yeah. Now, among all these, LinkedIn is not just a job search engine. Others are exclusively job search engine, but LinkedIn works very differently. Now, inside LinkedIn, you can search for job also, you can search for people also, and you can follow companies as well to find out the jobs. Okay. So first steps for you in finding jobs should be, you should be making a profile in each and every job site. And then you should be having an active engagement across all the job sites. Now, active engagement means, let's say you created your profile today and after 10 days you are going to the site and searching if anything has come or not. Maybe in those 10 days, any opening came and it closed also. Okay, so you have to be on your toes. You have to actively search on a daily basis. if you're looking for a job, finding a job, only this thing should be in your mind all the time. Then only things will fall in place. Yes, because so much of cutthroat competition is there. If you miss a single opportunity, you don't know when the next opportunity is going to come. Yes, so please keep this thing in mind. First, you have to create profile across all the job sites, especially LinkedIn, which is very important. Nowadays, people are getting jobs through LinkedIn. Okay, now don't think that job will come to you. Inside LinkedIn, many times you also have to approach recruiter, consultants. You have to follow the companies inside LinkedIn so that whenever any job is there, you get notification. Similarly, you have to follow consultants, recruiters of companies so that whenever any job notification they are putting, you will get the notification. Connect with people who are inside industry into senior roles, let's say for more than 5 years, because most of the time, not always consultant and recruiter are posting the job. Many times employee of the company also posting the job because they get referral bonus in referring you, right? So please do all these stuffs inside these job sites. Second thing is, please make a list of company in your place. See, if you are a person who is ready to relocate to anywhere, you don't have any issue, then you can just follow all the companies. Otherwise, you make a list of companies as per your location. Now, this list of companies should be all like pharma companies, CRO, if any IT companies are there, a small CRO, SMOs, yeah, SMOs in your location, because many times what happens, there are many small CROs and SMOs as per your local location, which not everyone can tell you about this job. That you will get to know through Naukri, which picks your local location. And let's say if you have a profile in Naukri, so let's say if any small CRO is there at your place, okay, and another of your friend is sitting in some big city where that CRO is not there. So as per your location in Naukri and your activity in Naukri, you may get called from this small CRO, but your friend will not get. So this also happens, but you have to be very, very active for this. Yeah. And third thing, what you can do, second thing I told you is just make a list of companies as per your location. Third thing you can do is you can search for job directly with the job profile name, whichever is there inside clinical research and pharmacovigilance. With those job profile name also, you can search for jobs, because not necessary that, always recruiter will come to you through Naukri. Sometimes your CV don't get shortlisted in their daily search hunt process. In that scenario, what you can do, you can also search with the keyword that is the job profile name at a fresher level inside all these platforms. Okay. Now the job profile name for fresher level, you can get in our videos in our channel. We have a video on the same where we have described what are the job profile name at a fresher level. Okay. So this is about how to apply, where to find jobs. Okay. So first of all, where to find jobs, places I already said. How to apply, you have to follow companies inside LinkedIn. You have to follow people, and you will automatically get notification of job. Other than that, you have to search with job profile name at a fresher level. With those keywords you have to search, and accordingly you have to apply. Okay, so these are the ways through which you can apply, you can find job. And please remember guys, at the end of the day, it is you only who want job. Okay, because whatever institute you are joining, the institute already have so many students. So do you think that they will be able to assist you in so much of deeper level? No, practically it is not possible. Let me tell you this thing. So first you have to help yourself, then only institute will be able to help you and guide you. Yes. And in doing so, in finding jobs or, in this process, if you face any challenge, then definitely you can ask your institute about those challenges. Definitely 100% they will be guiding you, they will be assisting you. But First step is yours only. Okay. And last but not the least, very important guys, please make a process for yourself. Don't just randomly get up and search for job. There should be some process for each and everything in this universe. Yeah. For example, if you want to lose weight, okay, you are giving, let's say, 6 months of challenge to yourself for losing weight. You will not just lose weight by saying the things, right? You have to do many things, you have to implement, and you have to make a process for yourself. And you have to follow that process completely, blindly. Okay? And in doing so, many times you will not get any opportunity. That may also happen. Many times you will be disappointed. That will also happen. But the only thing you have to do is consistently follow the process which you are creating for yourself. Okay. So not necessary that you copy others, whatever suits you, accordingly you make a process for yourself. Just follow it consistently throughout for around 3 to 6 months, and then you see the change. Definitely you will get some positive result, at least interview call, at least connection, something you will get for sure. Yeah. So just be consistent, follow the process, make a process for yourself, and do it on a daily basis. Job hunt process should be a daily task for you, and it is not like once in a week. Yeah. So with this, going to conclude this video. I hope I have covered all the topics and points inside this, how you can look for job, and I hope this will be helping you in your job hunt process. And all the best to all of you. And please share this video with your other friends also who are in a same path of searching for job. Yes. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share it with your friends. And please comment in the chat box if you are really facing any challenge in finding jobs. So we will be happy to answer all your comments. Please comment in the chat box, and would love to see your comments and would love to answer all the comments. Yeah. So with this, going to conclude this video. We'll be coming soon with some fresh next video. Till the time I come again, till that time, please stay safe, aware, healthy, updated. And guys, please keep exploring and have trust on your process, and please believe yourself more than anyone else. Okay, all the best guys. Have a nice day.